two names just came out in the news. Everton and also Wallace, two Brazilians that are in the rumors right now that is coming to PSM.
You want I confirm or say no? What you prefer? So one of them come.
Salah satu dari mereka datang.
One of them come, and I gonna give some words that you gonna know who is. So this Brazilian, he was the top scorer on Arabic countries and play also in Portugal. And I think he can help us because I want a striker that can play on the box, but also outside of the box, that have speed, that can play with the teammates, that help defending also. Sorry, too much.
Ya, katanya, ya saya berikan konfirmasi saja, salah satu dari mereka akan datang dan saya berikan petunjuk mungkin dia adalah pemain yang bermain di negara Arabik, negara-negara Arabik. Dia top score, dia pernah main di Portugal. Dia adalah tipe pemain yang kuat, bisa bermain dalam box, bisa bermain di luar box, membantu tim dalam bertahan.
Angkanya apa tinggal press?